Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm going to make my cheese ball now. Some of you watched me make my homemade fruitcake, uncooked fruitcake just a second ago. And let me hop on here. And find my live. How are y'all doing today? Y'all getting tired of seeing me? I never go live, but this is the second one today. Who knew, huh? No, I was just, I made the uncooked fruitcake recipe just a little bit ago. Hey, Lori, how are you? And I mentioned I was going to make my cheese ball, and a couple of y'all said that you wanted to see me how to do that too. So anyway, I'm Susie with Susie's Recent Things, the maker of the mesh roller, you know, the tool that helps you use your creative talents to bless others. I can't talk today. So anyway, if you have my mesh roller, yay. I got a Black Friday sale coming up. Don't forget that. Anyway, this is my cheese ball recipe. And I'm going to finish cutting up these green onions real small. And I'm not going to read your comments for about 2 seconds while I do this. And yes, my hands are clean. My son might not be too happy with me for sharing this recipe. But it is what it is. It's mama's. So mama do what mama want to do. Anyway, are y'all cooking today? This is going to be my last live because I can't get nothing done. Because I'm going to have the camera set up just right with the right lighting for you guys. So what I'm doing, these green onions is a full bunch that's been washed. And I'm chopping them up real small. And I'll post the recipe when I get done. If Chef Jen watches this, she'll go, girl, you need some knives. She'll be right, because I do. I need some knives. My knives are dull. I've had this knife, I kid you not. You can't really see it, but it's a stainless steel knife. I've had it for over 40 years. It's been sharpened and sharpened and sharpened. I couldn't tell you how many times. But it's about reached the end of its life, maybe. Or maybe I need to get a new person to sharpen it. Anywho. Alright, we're starting off. I'm making a double batch. So if you only want one cheese ball, half this in two. But 2 batches. 4 things of cream cheese, and they are just your regular 8-ounce box of cream cheese. Got 4 of them. You got 3 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Put all that good stuff in there. Now I'm going to put my green onions. I'll have to look at my other computer to see who else on here. I can't see, my comments aren't scrolling, so. But I see people on here, so I know you're in there. You may not be talking, but I see you in here, so. Let me look at my comments real quick. So if you are commenting, what are you cooking? How many people are you cooking for? Or did you get off easy and not have to cook? If somebody told me that I didn't have to cook for Thanksgiving, I would probably cry. I would insist I want to cook. Okay, let me pull my comments up. Lori Whipple, hey girl. You love your mesh roller. Oh, thank you. Hey Susan, happy Thanksgiving to you too. I appreciate y'all being on here. Okay, so we've got the, move this out of the way. We've got 4 things of cream cheese, 3 cups of cheddar, shredded cheddar. And now we're going, well, I've doubled my recipe, y'all. This is for two big cheese balls. So, so now, and I've chopped up an entire bunch of green onions real small. And want 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm blind. This is a half a tablespoon measuring, so I'm going to need 4 to get 2 tablespoons. No, wait a minute. I'm doubling this, so I need 4 tablespoons, which will be 8 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now remember, this is a half of a tablespoon, so that was equivalent to 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire in a double batch. And now I'm going to use garlic salt, and it calls for 1.5 teaspoons for 1 batch, so this will be 3 teaspoons. And then make sure I'm not reading it wrong. This is a teaspoon, so that will be 3 teaspoons. 1, 2, and 3. And I very rarely go by a recipe, so this and the uncut fruit cake that I did earlier is probably one of the few things that I do follow a recipe on. So, anywho, we're gonna mix this bad boy up. Okay. Before I start mixing, I have to get this prepped because this is where I'm going to lay it out at. Okay. Let me get Susan, you have a chocolate pie in the oven now. Oh, I bet your house smells good. Okay. Press and seal is one of my favorite things to use in the kitchen. So what I do is I lay one going this way. Well, and I do the sticky side up on both of them, and one going this way. So I kind of make an X. Can y'all see that? I've made an X with the cell or press and seal. Now before I start mixing my cheese ball, let me pull these out. And I'm going to put some crushed pecans right here because this is where I'm going to roll my cheese ball out. Alright. Now this is where the fun comes in. This is very therapeutic. Am I in view? Can't really see very well. Thanks, Linda. I appreciate that. Oh, I bet your kitchen does smell good. Oh my gosh, I just can't imagine. I don't know why I'm doing that. I want any gloves. Hey, Joy. That's my Jennifer Allwood sister. Inner Circle sister. How are ya? I did a fruitcake recipe, uncooked fruitcake recipe earlier, and I mentioned that I might come on and do my cheese ball recipe, and everybody wanted me to, so I thought, well, heck, I'll come on and do it too. And then I'm done with my lives because I have too much work to do today. So anyway, we have 4 packages of cream cheese, 1 large bunch of green onions chopped fine, 3 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, very fine shredded, not the big thick kind. And let's see, this is a double batch too. I'm gonna put the recipe in the comments when I get done here. But Worcestershire sauce, garlic salt, and green onions, and then you roll it in pecans. So anyway, I just turned my dishwasher on, so hang on.